Hakasau tarik Jylliew Arhajar Arpoar, the Ultimate Legend Bikers Association ne TULBA East Khasi Hills Unit, ryngkat ke dkhot na Sohryngkham Unit, bat ke dkhot ke NSS Unit, jong ka Lady Keane Girls College Shillong, kilai shim bynta haka jingialang, ban rakhe ka sngi pynneh pynsah mariang, ne ka World Environment Day Arhajar Arpoar, ka baha manla snem haka tarik bnai Jylliew. Katei ke jingialang la yo ka jingkren na working president ka TULBA East Khasi Hills Unit u samla Bympherlang Lyndem.
NSS volunteers, program officers, along with the TULBA unit for organizing this tree plantation drive as part of the World Environment Day celebration, which is supposed to be tomorrow, but since tomorrow is a Sunday, so we are pre-celebrating it today. Alright, so before we start this program, I would like to thank our program officer, Mr. Shillong, who has taken the initiative for organizing this program in collaboration with the TULBA unit. So I would like to thank the members of the TULBA unit as well for present here. And before we go ahead with the tree plantation, we would like to hear a small address from Sir Lyndem, who is one of the member of the TULBA unit, also from the department, from the forest department.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
I give thanks to Sir Krishnan to organize this program and the teachers. So I would like to just give a small speech about world environment. Today is an important day for all of us. Tomorrow is the World Environment Day, and I feel proud and thankful for giving me the opportunity to deliver a speech on the World Environment Day. Today and every year on this celebration, World Environment Day, the World Environment Day is one of the most important days by the UN for the encourage worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment. World Environment Day was the first proposed by the UN in 1972, and it was the first celebrated in 1974. Since then, it becomes a global platform and gained the popularity, and now over 100 nations are celebrating this day. Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated on the specific theme, and this we are celebrating the World Environment Day 2022 under the theme of Only One Earth. And the theme last year was the ecosystem restoration. Environment Day play an important role in nurturing living beings. It is responsible for healthy life and existence of life on Earth. Earth is the home of different living species as well are dependent on the environment for food, air, water and soil and other needs. But without understanding the importance of the environment, humans are destroying it. Now every element of the environment like air, water and soil polluted due to human activities. For our development, we are sacrificing the most valuable environment. Unknowingly, we are causing many diseases and natural disasters by destroying the environment. And the environment pollution can directly harm living beings. We must pay special attention to protect our environment. And for the World Environment Day is celebrated, the main purpose for the for the Environment Day is to spread awareness of the importance of the environment. As protection of our environment in our hand, we must take necessary steps to protect it, reduce and recycle, and the main things that we must focus on to protect an environment, to make the environment more healthy, and we must focus on trees, plantation, reduction, and reduce the carbon emission. Believe me, friends, these small efforts can put a big positive impact on the environment. On the occasion of the World Environment Day 2022, let's promise together to focus on the protection of our environment and to make Earth a better place to live. We will. Thank. This is all I can say. Thank you all.